guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned.
A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try.
So this month's card looks a little something like this, and it says spring into self-care. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. And then on the back here, it has some sneak peeks of what you could receive inside your Boxycharm, as well as what you can get in the Ipsy shop. The first product inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Paul Mitchell Bond RX treatment. This is going to deeply nourish and protect the hair. You're going to really saturate your damp, clean hair with this product. Leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, and it's really just going to give your hair that boost of strengthening and hydration that it really needs. It's a deep conditioning treatment that's really going to transform those chemical treated kind of strands and leave them healthy and new. Next product in this month's box is the Rhodial Salicylic Acid Pore Refining Cleanser. This is going to lift and illuminate the skin. It has niacinamide, Egypt lotus, sacred lotus, and pink diamond powder. It's going to gently cleanse and purify the skin and really lift any of that nasty debris or dead skin cells, leaving you with smooth, moisturized skin. The salicylic acid in this is going to really refine pores. Niacinamide is known to lock in moisture. The blend of Egypt lotus and sacred lotus really brighten the skin. And the pink diamond powder helps diminish any imperfections and illuminates the skin. Next in the Boxycharm box, we've got the Natasha Denona Hot Topic Palette. And if you are a cool-toned kind of person, this palette is definitely for you. I do have this palette on my eyes today, and it is just so gorgeous. When I purchase palettes, I tend to go more warm, so it is good to have a cool-toned, neutral palette in my collection. And these shades are just so pigmented, you guys. Next in the Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. And this is in the shade True Black. It looks a little something like this. It is a retractable eyeliner, and it does come with a little sharpener on the bottom, so you can sharpen it once it gets a little dull. And you guys, this is just so super black and glides on like butter. And last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Beauty for Real Lip Revival High Shine Hydrating Lip Oil. And this is in the shade Raspberry Beret. And it is so cute. I do have this on my lips today. It kind of goes on more of a clear. It might have a hint of pink in it, but it is so cute. This has mango seed, aloe, jojoba oil. It's cruelty-free, vegan, has no mineral oils, and also paraben-free. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive inside your Ipsy Boxycharm box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.